Today I'm going to show you how to fix color of your image and make it vibrant in Adobe Photoshop. First, let's make a copy of this background or subject layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then go to Filter, Other, and HSB HSL. Now under this row order, you can choose either HSL or HSB. But in my opinion, HSL creates more natural results. Then press OK. Go to Window. And open your Channels panel. Hold the Ctrl key, and click on the thumbnail of the green channel to make a selection. Now let's delete this layer. With the selection active, click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new hue saturation. Now to make the color of the image more vibrant. Just drag this saturation slider to the right, and you'll see here that the image becomes vibrant and natural in color. Once you're satisfied, close Properties. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.